What is the most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Argon. Answer. B. Nitrogen. Nitrogen makes up about 78% of Earth's atmosphere, followed by oxygen, 21%, and other gases. Which gas in the atmosphere is essential for human respiration? A. Nitrogen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Oxygen. D. Argon. Answer. C. Oxygen. Oxygen, 21%, is essential for respiration in humans and animals. The lowest layer of the atmosphere, where all weather changes occur, is called A. Troposphere. B. Stratosphere. C. Mesosphere. D. Thermosphere. Answer. A. Troposphere. The troposphere extends up to 8-15 kilometers and contains almost all weather phenomena like clouds, storms, and rain. The ozone layer is found in which layer of the atmosphere? A. Troposphere. B. Stratosphere. C. Mesosphere. D. Thermosphere. Answer. B. Stratosphere. The ozone layer, which absorbs harmful UV rays, is found in the stratosphere at about 15-35 kilometers altitude. The layer of the atmosphere where meteors burn up is called A. Troposphere. B. Stratosphere. C. Mesosphere. D. Thermosphere. Answer. C. Mesosphere. The mesosphere, 50 to 85 km, is the coldest layer and is where meteors burn up due to friction. The uppermost layer of the atmosphere is called A. Troposphere. B. Stratosphere. C. Mesosphere. D. Exosphere. Answer. D. Exosphere. The exosphere, above 500 kilometers, is the outermost layer where atmospheric gases gradually fade into space. Which gas is responsible for the greenhouse effect? A. Nitrogen. B. Oxygen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Hydrogen. Answer. C. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, CO, traps heat in the atmosphere, contributing to the greenhouse effect and global warming. Which layer of the atmosphere contains the ionosphere? A. Troposphere. B. Stratosphere. C. Thermosphere. D. Exosphere. Answer. C. Thermosphere. The thermosphere, 85 to 500 km, contains the ionosphere, which helps in radio communication by reflecting radio waves. The phenomenon of the aurora borealis, northern lights, occurs in which layer? A. Troposphere. B. Stratosphere. C. Thermosphere. D. Mesosphere. Answer. C. Thermosphere. The aurora borealis, northern lights, and aurora australis, southern lights, occur in the thermosphere due to interactions between solar wind and Earth's magnetic field. What percentage of the Earth's atmosphere is composed of oxygen? A. 21%. B. 78%. C. 1%. D. 10%. Answer. A. 21%. Oxygen makes up 21% of the Earth's atmosphere and is essential for respiration and combustion. Atmospheric pressure is measured using which instrument? A. Thermometer. B. Barometer. C. Anemometer. D. Hygrometer. Answer. B. Barometer. A barometer is used to measure atmospheric pressure, which decreases with altitude. The atmospheric layer that protects the Earth from harmful UV radiation is A. Troposphere. B. Stratosphere. C. Mesosphere. D. Thermosphere. Answer. B. Stratosphere. The ozone layer, found in the stratosphere, absorbs most of the sun's ultraviolet radiation, UV rays. Which gas is the second most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Argon. Answer. A. Oxygen. Oxygen, 21%, is the second most abundant gas in the atmosphere after nitrogen, 78%. The troposphere extends up to how many kilometers? A. O-8 kilometers. B. 8-15 kilometers. C. 15-50 kilometers. D. 50 to 85 km. Answer. B. 8-15 kilometers. The troposphere varies in thickness, extending 8 kilometers at the poles and 15 kilometers at the equator. What happens to temperature as altitude increases in the troposphere? A. Increases. B. Decreases. C. Remains constant. D. First increases, then decreases. Answer. B. Decreases. In the troposphere, temperature drops by 6.5 degrees Celsius per kilometer as altitude increases. Which layer is known as the weather layer? A. Troposphere. B. Stratosphere. C. Mesosphere. D. Thermosphere. Answer. A. Troposphere. The troposphere is where all weather phenomena like clouds, storms, and rain occur. The gas responsible for acid rain is A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Sulfur dioxide. D. Hydrogen. Answer. C. Sulfur dioxide. sulfur dioxide, SO, and nitrogen oxides, NOx, mix with water vapor to form acid rain. The atmospheric layer that facilitates satellite communication is A. Troposphere, B. Stratosphere, C. Thermosphere, D. Mesosphere. Answer: C. Thermosphere. The thermosphere contains the ionosphere, which helps in radio and satellite communication. Which atmospheric layer is also known as the middle layer? A. Troposphere, B. Stratosphere, C. Mesosphere, D. Thermosphere. Answer: C. Mesosphere. The mesosphere, 50 to 85 km, lies between the stratosphere and thermosphere. The greenhouse gas with the highest heat-trapping capability is A. Carbon dioxide, B. Methane, C. Oxygen, D. Nitrogen. Answer: B. Methane. Methane, CH, has a higher heat-trapping potential than CO, contributing significantly to global warming. The atmospheric gas used in electric bulbs is A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Argon, D. Hydrogen. Answer: C. Argon. Argon is used in electric bulbs because it does not react with the filament at high temperatures. Which layer of the atmosphere has the lowest temperature? A. Troposphere, B. Stratosphere, C. Mesosphere, D. Thermosphere. Answer: C. Mesosphere. The mesosphere has the lowest temperature, as low as -90 degrees Celsius. The main gas responsible for the depletion of the ozone layer is A. Carbon dioxide, B. Oxygen, C. CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons, D. Methane. Answer: C. CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons. CFCs destroy ozone molecules, creating the ozone hole. What is the height range of the stratosphere? A. O-10 km, B. 10-50 km, C. 50 to 85 km, D. 85-500 km. Answer: B. 10-50 km. The stratosphere extends from 10 km to 50 km above Earth's surface. The gas that supports combustion in the atmosphere is A. Nitrogen, B. Oxygen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Argon. Answer: B. Oxygen. Oxygen is essential for combustion, supporting burning processes. Which of the following gases is not a greenhouse gas? A. Carbon dioxide, B. Methane, C. Nitrogen, D. Water vapor. Answer: C. Nitrogen. Nitrogen, N, is the most abundant gas in the atmosphere but does not contribute to the greenhouse effect. What is the approximate height of the thermosphere? A. 50 to 85 km, B. 85-500 km, C. 500-1000 km, D. 1000-5000 km. Answer: B. 85-500 km. The thermosphere extends from 85 km to 500 km above the Earth. Which atmospheric layer contains most of the Earth's atmospheric mass? A. Troposphere, B. Stratosphere, C. Mesosphere, D. Thermosphere. Answer: A. Troposphere. The troposphere contains 75 to 80% of the atmosphere's mass. The layer where commercial airplanes typically fly is A. Troposphere, B. Stratosphere, C. Mesosphere, D. Thermosphere. Answer: B. Stratosphere. Planes fly in the stratosphere, 10 to 15 km, to avoid turbulence. What is the function of the ionosphere? A. Produces oxygen, B. Reflects radio waves, C. Absorbs UV radiation, D. Stores greenhouse gases. Answer: B. Reflects radio waves. The ionosphere in the thermosphere reflects radio waves, enabling long-distance communication.